No, the sun is going away. What's happening? Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, Tima. I am back with a new video. I'm using a new mic today. I hope that it is working okay. I have a few ideas for this week as far as what I want to film, but today I'm going to be doing a hair video. And this video is sponsored by Arabella Hair. I am wearing this wig that y'all have been asking me about for my Instagram for the past couple of weeks now. I just wanted to go ahead and try it out and see if I would like it. But today is going to also be a makeup video. I'm gonna be doing another look that I already showed you guys on my Instagram this past week, and it's going to be more of a Glossier type of look with a blue glossy lid. I wanted to do something bold yet simple with no foundation. My skin has been acting up a lot this past week. I think I was over exfoliating just because my hormones have been in a huge mess, and it's probably due to stress and things of that nature. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Hey everyone, this is Tima from the future, and I just wanted to say that I'm not using all Glossier products in this video, but I will be using most of them. I'm gonna go ahead and lay everything down in the front. It already looks very natural. Also, if you guys still want me to review the Ordinary foundation that I got a while back, it's the serum foundation. Please let me know because I haven't done that yet, and I know I kept saying that I was going to do it, but I just kept getting busy, and then this whole pandemic happened. So I want to try it out, but I'm not sure if y'all would be interested in like a whole makeup look with that. Okay, first I'm going to start with using my Got to Be Glued freeze spray. I'm just gonna hydrate the curls with water, all that good stuff. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna fix my leave out because I do have some on the side here. So I'm just putting in my mousse, and I'm gonna also lay it down with some hair gel just to smooth it out a bit. It's fine if it curls up because this hair is also like, it's not super straight. The mousse kind of just primes the hair for you so that it kind of gets more moisturized again, and then it blends in way better. There we go, so that side's good. I'm also going to put the Perfect Smooth Blowout Lotion from Nature Lab Tokyo, which I love this stuff. It's not necessarily for styles like this, but it does tend to smooth out the hair more, which is what I'm kind of looking for, especially the ends. No, the sun is going away. What's happening? Because I'm not using any lights today, so so annoying. But honestly, what I should have done was film earlier in the morning. And then I'm gonna put the wrapping foam lotion at the top and just make sure that everything is laying down flat. All right, last thing I'm gonna do, because this is just really quick, I'm going to put a little bit of foundation onto the parts. It's honestly to get rid of the little black marks. I don't have the products that I usually need to bleach the knots, and they already kind of pre-bleached it for you, but I don't have the products right now because Sally's isn't open, and I don't feel like going through the whole process of getting products from Sally's. I'm pretty sure you can still get stuff from them, but I'd rather just go to the store and be on my merry way. This is literally just the easiest way. If you don't have access to hair bleach or anything, I just use like a little powder and then I like rub it in. So right now I'm going to be using the No Problem Primer from Touch in Seoul. Also, after using my primer, I'm just going in with the water to fill in my pores. Only on my cheeks. I don't have any pimples right now, so I'm being very careful not to like close up my pores and stuff in the spots where I'm dealing with a lot of acne. On top of that, I'm gonna go in with, this is older, so I have two of them. I have G4 and I've got Deep 40, and they're around the same. Okay, so for underneath my eyes, I'm gonna be going in with the Milk Makeup in Caramel. I'm not going to be using a lot for today. So I'm gonna be going in with the Peach Revolution baking powder underneath my eyes. I don't have to do this stuff. I could just do a translucent powder, but I'm gonna just do this anyway because I feel like it. And this is the one powder that does not leave flashback underneath my eyes, but it just kind of brightens. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going in with the matchstick. I always use this step in Truffle. So I just used this powder to contour around my nose area. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 16-hour powder foundation. So I just kind of go on the sides of my face. And I know this obviously is not a full Glossier beat, but I am using a lot of their products in this video. And I call this a Glossier beat because you're not doing too much, and this is specifically for acne prone skin. All right, now for my brows. I have the Boy Brow here. I've used this so many times, clearly. I really do think that the Boy Brow set the standard for other companies to get started on this trend, because now everyone has their own version of the Boy Brow, in my opinion, which I think is great. My other favorite is the M Cosmetics Brow Cream. This is the Glossier Brow Flick, and this is in black. So I'm gonna use this on my brows right now. I probably should zoom in. So this is a brow flick. I'm just going to add some extra hairs in here. Yeah, you have to have also a very careful hand with this because you don't want to put the hairs in the wrong place, or it may not even matter, because if you don't care about precision as much and you want to just have that unruly look, that's really up to you. So I'm gonna be putting in some freckles because I had that in my picture on Instagram the other day. So I'm just gonna go in here. I'm using the Palladio Lip Stain in Mocha, and quickest way to do it. If you know of any other lip stains that do the same thing, then it should work too. I know people use like that one brush where you flick it, but for me that would end up looking really terrible on textured skin like mine, so I recommend this way of doing it. I think it looks the best. I'm gonna be using the Glossier Play highlighter. The formula is just amazing, I have to say, guys. Please get your hands on this if you have not, because it just blends so nice on top of makeup. And I've tried out so many brands where the creams and the liquids and stuff, they just end up looking very patchy. Also, let me just go ahead and spray my face. I'm using the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. But I'm going in with my lips now. KK Beauty or KKW Beauty pen. Now I haven't used this in literally probably a couple of years. This is the Glossier Play in It's a High Shine Lacquer in Bank. All right, I'm gonna go in with the Glossier lip gloss. This is the original. The formula is good, it feels good, doesn't feel sticky. Look at that gloss. I'm also gonna be going in, let me just do this since I'm already in the shot, with my Cloud Paint in Haze. I really want Storm, but I just haven't had the time to get that yet, so whatever. Get my finger and just start pressing it into my skin. Now, you may or may not need to reapply what you've put, because I think it will make stuff disappear. It's more of like a cheek stain. So I'm not gonna talk in this portion of the video, but I will be putting on my NYX Vivid Brights cream color. I'll be putting this down below so y'all can go ahead and check it out. The color is called Blueprint. I'm just gonna warm this up in my hands or my finger because it's a little bit stiff. I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of that, but it is really bright. So I'm gonna use this. This is from Flesh. I'm gonna just put that on my lids or some of it. Oh, and let me also just get have my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'm using this one specifically because I don't want to put on any lashes today. Ooh, I'm getting gloss everywhere. So let's get into the specs of this wig that I got from Arabella Hair. They did send me some wig caps. This is a 22-inch water wave unit. Things I need. Oh, I think it also came with an elastic band I've already sewed onto my head, so that's very helpful. So this is a 13x6 water wave unit. That's how the ends are looking. Super, super pretty. And then this is how the top looks. I managed to flatten it out a good amount too whenever I was putting this on. Size, this is how the back is looking. I also did not bleach the knots, you guys, so usually I bleach them. In this video, it's not bleached at all, so it's definitely worth it. And I do have the full lace unit. It is only $239 for a 22-inch, like full lace, not a laced front, a full lace unit. Whenever a unit is full lace, they tend to use better lace in general. So the shedding obviously happened because I was plucking the frontal area, and I didn't have to pluck very much, but when you do pluck it, just make sure you comb all of the hairs out because I didn't. The density is 180%. There is a free part, 100% human hair, and the hair can definitely be dyed. So I will say, I've been wearing it for a good 2 weeks, but then I've just been having it for almost a month, and I absolutely love it. There's a little bit of shedding, but it's not too much. And you can just run your fingers through this unit by just putting water in it. Got an average cap size. The hair texture is water wave. Shipping was also really, really fast. So if you want to look into this unit, you guys, I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Please be sure to go ahead and check out Arabella Hair. They really hooked me up with everything that they sent me, and it's just super cute packaging. Just how the frontal's looking after I plucked everything, and they already pre-plucked it for you. I just did a little bit more. It just looks very seamless, and this is without bleach knots. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and put the links down to all the makeup products that I used in this video, as well as the hair, so please go check it out. If you missed my week in my life vlog for quarantine, that's my last video that I just uploaded. Please be sure to go ahead and check that out as well. Yeah, so I'll talk to y'all later. Have an awesome day, stay safe, and bye.